Meaning of fishmeal.
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 Fishmeal. Fishmeal is a high-protein supplement made from fish that have been cooked, pressed, and dried. It is commonly used in animal feed, particularly for poultry and swine, to provide a rich source of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. Fishmeal is also used in aquaculture diets, as well as in pet food and fertilizer. The production of fishmeal has raised concerns about its impact on ocean ecosystems, as large amounts of wild fish are caught and processed to produce it. Some alternative sources of protein, such as insect-based proteins, are being explored to reduce this impact.